So I've just created a quick example of how to use the unknown segments in Studio 2014. So I have a couple of small files here. If I just open them all up so you can see what's in them. So I open them in one go into the translation editor. I've attached a TM and I've translated some of the segments, but I've got some unknown ones, different segments in each of the files. So you can see the first one is an unknown sentence. Second one is a known sentence, it finds a match, same as there. In the next file it's unknown, that's known, that's also unknown. You get the idea? I've got one unknown sentence, so it's not in my TM, in each of those 5 files. Okay, so I'm just going to close that, but not save the changes, so none of that should be populated. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run a batch task using analyze files, and then I click on the analyze files and I've got this export unknown segments, so I tick that. I set it to 99% just in case, but 100% would have probably done it. Then I click on finish. That finishes that, and if I just open up the folder where the files are and go up a level, I've got this exports folder that's been created, and in there I have this unknown segments file. So if I just save the path to where that file is, oops, go back to Studio again, I'll just open up that file as a single document just to have a look at what's in it. So it's only one file. I open it up and I've got each of those unknown sentences from each, so that's one sentence from each of the files saved into one STLXLIF, which was the purpose. So now I could save each of those, and then when I pre-translate the project, the whole thing will be translated. So it seems to work, at least it does for me.